Hey everybody, welcome back to Glenn's Garage. Short little video here. I'm going to point out the problem you're probably going to have with the rubbish wheel nuts that Ford use on their cars. Alright, so this is our 2015 Ford Focus SE hatch. Daily driver, it's just a car we used to buzz around. Ultra reliable, been super happy with the car. But I gotta say, the wheel nuts that Ford use are some of the cheapest things I've ever seen. And it's just ridiculous. So I'm gonna finally address it now. So the car's got winter snow tires on with Steelies right now. Now I live out on the west coast of Canada, on the island, and we don't get very much snow, but we do have mountain passes. And if you want to travel on certain roads that have mountain passes, you have to have these snow rated tires on. So they're on. The summer tires are over there. My 17-inch alloys are over there. So these are the winters, but we use the same lug nuts summer and winter. I want to show you what the problem is. So this is standard 19 mil impact socket used to remove these, take them on and off. So just fit on and you can take them off. So we get to this one. Oh, that's a tight fit. And see that? That's not the wheel nut that's loose. That's the cover, the shiny little cover that's on it that's starting to loosen up already. Here's another one. Again, that's not the wheel nut. And then here's one here where it won't even go on anymore. I don't know if you can see that there. It is so distorted. So what we're doing is I've gone and bought some more to replace these. And I certainly haven't gone to Ford and bought theirs. So this is what I bought. I just bought these off of Amazon Canada. Acorn lug nuts, 3/4 inch, 19 mil, 1.4 deep. The 60-degree flat lead-in angle is what you need for the standard OE wheels. And I put one set on already on the back where there are a bunch of destroyed Ford ones. So actually look kind of nice when they come in like this. Took 20 of them. They were like 25 bucks Canadian, buck something a piece. Certainly cheaper than you never get them at the Ford place, and they're just chrome plated steel, so they don't have the cover on. So here's the Ford ones. These are the back wheel I just replaced 5. 3 of the 5 were shot. And what happens when they get like this is the 19 mil or 3/4 socket won't go on, nor would your lug wrench in the back. So you end up either having to hammer it on and further destroy them, or you put a 20 on, which is a little loose, and hope it doesn't slip. And what the problem is Ford used, you know, a standard steel nut in here, and then they put this maybe stainless, I'm not sure, potentially a very thin sheet stainless cover stamped over it. So it's two-piece. So it's the inner steel and this outer here. I'm not sure it's stainless because they do still rust. But anyway, and what happens is over the course of time they come loose, like those ones I just showed you on that front wheel there, and then they distort as you torque them up to 100 foot-pounds. You start to round these edges, and then they get all distorted like this. And you can see here, there's where the cover is. So this is the metal, and then this is where the cover starts, right here. And this whole thing is just a cover over the top, cosmetic cover. And it just breaks down. And it's another one. You can see what they look like. They just get destroyed. And then they become utterly useless. And then you're either having to carry 2 different lug nuts. If you're ever stuck on the side of the highway, this is just rubbish. So we're just going to swap them out. Anyway, that's my solution. 25 bucks, brand new. Don't have the 2-piece one, so it shouldn't have the distortion problem at all. And job's done, fixed. Something Ford should have done right from the start. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you liked it, you like some of the other videos, hit a like, subscribe would be awesome. Shoot a comment out, try to answer them. And I hope I see you back here in the garage. Drive safe. Have a great day, everybody.